What's up guys, Fezo here, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to give you guys a nice comic styled template. You can use it on your Twitter header or you can use it on your YouTube. So let's open the Photoshop and get started. I'm going to teach you guys how to change the background color, how to edit the text and so on. So first download the template from my description below. It's for free of course, and you will get this folder. You will get the WinRAR file, just extract it with WinRAR or whatever you want, and you will get these files here. Before opening this template, just go to this folder. It says first install this font. Just open that and right click on this font and click install. I'm already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. And you can preview your header here, and after that just click on template, whatever you want for Twitter or for YouTube. I'm going to open Twitter one. I'm sorry, I'm going to change that. Okay, just open the template and just select your text tool and let's change text. I'm going to change this one. I'm going to write FezoDesigns, and this template one I'm going to change tutorial. Okay, as you can see, in the main text folder you will get another group, and in that group you will get tutorial and FezoDesigns text and this layer. And if you uncheck this layer, you will see the white areas. You can fill it by yourself. Just delete this layer, pressing delete key on your keyboard, and create a new layer bottom of these texts, but in that text group, and select your brush tool. Shortcut is B, or you can select the brush tool right there and right click on it and make sure the size is small, like 60 pixel or 50, and hardness is 100%, and make sure the foreground color is full black, and just brush the white areas just like that. After you finish, just leave this layer and close these groups like that, and you can change the social media text and icons. Just open the social media group, click this drop down, and you will get this text and icons right there. You can add the icons to this group, or you can unselect this. You will get, for example, YouTube and Facebook. Just drag the Facebook here using your arrow key on your keyboard. After you finish, just select social media group and press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Click this button right there and make sure you selected the move tool, and click this button right there, align vertical centers. Not this one, this one. Align horizontal centers, just like that. And after you finish, just press Ctrl D on your keyboard for deselect. Okay, you will get the nice stay connected text and the social media icons right there. I'm going to teach you guys how to change the colors for text and background. Text is very simple. Just select your text tool and select your tutorial text, for example. Just select it and you will see the color option right there. Just click on that and select whatever color you want. I prefer to select the bright color, for example blue, and bright red color, just like that. I'm going to select blue color for now and click OK, and select your move tool and close this text group. If you want to change background color, you will see the change color option top of this background layer, just click on this circle, double click on it, and don't touch the saturation and lightness, only change the hue in this group, in this option, just like that. For example, I'm going to make it green color, just like that. You can copy these numbers here if you want. I'm going to use 140, just like that, and close this option right here, and you will get a nice template for your Twitter. If you want to save, just go to File, Export, Save for Web, and you will get this window right there. Make sure the preset is PNG 24 and PNG 24 here, and go to Save and save it whatever you want, it depends on you, and close this, and here you are, you will get nice Twitter header. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this template and my tutorial. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you don't already, and see you guys in the next video.